Introducing the new Samsung Galaxy A smartphone with super fast connectivity and 150,000 apps from Android Market. Samsung Galaxy A smartphone. Live life on your terms.
Can we really get 50 cups from one bottle?
Would you like a glass of Robinson's? I like a bite, Dave. We already squashed. The baby like one.
New Robinson's Double Concentrate. A lot from a drop.
A true beauty revolution. Rimmel London's Lash Accelerator Mascara. Longer looking lashes day after day. Lash Accelerator Mascara. Get the London.
There's a better angle around this side. You can see the mouse.
No one can resist the call of the sizzle. The new Brazier from KFC, our first ever griddled chicken. It's a sizzling great taste.
Savage, you can see it squeezing the blood out of his nose.
Try the new KFC Brazier. It's the sizzle.
Spot emergency, stop hiding. There's an instant solution. New Pure Active 2-in-1 tinted spot roll-on targets with a double action. One flawlessly covers, two instantly target spots with a drying
Some
effect.
people don't give wet snakes, they dry them with a hair dryer first.
And for skin that feels deeply cleansed, use Pure Active Expo Brusher every day.
The kids have moved out, it's calm and it's quiet, but you miss the noise, the chaos, the riot. Now they've come back to visit, but they've only one wish, that the table is set for their favourite dish. Cathedral City's the secret to Mum's cheesy bake. They keep asking for seconds, so you're just left with the plate. Cathedral City, the nation's favourite cheese.
You can